Is it going? I think it's going.
Okay.
It's Crazy Car Ride 2.
Yeah.
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 And with British
Accents.
Oh
yeah. Oh no, they're getting in the car with their swagger.
Baby, let me love
You
you
down.
down.
There's so many ways to love ya. Baby, I can break you down. There's so many ways to love ya.
Got me like, oh my gosh, I'm so in love. I found and I finally make me want to say
What?
oh,
What?
oh,
What?
oh,
What?
oh,
What?
oh,
What?
oh,
What?
oh, 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 oh my gosh.
Oh, oh, whoa, whoa, oh, oh, whoa, whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, 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 oh. I fell in love with Shawty when I seen her on the dance floor. She was dancing sexy, pop, 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 and jumping low. Never has a lady ever hit me on the first sight. She was something special. She was just like dynamite.
Honey got a
Booty
booty
like pow, pow, pow. We may as well sing it with this far.
Honey
No,
got
it's
some
still on.
booties
It's
like
like,
wow,
wow,
oh
oh,
wow. Girl, you know I'm loving
Loving your style.
Check, 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 checking him
out.
Oh, he's got it all. We're not that way.
Sexy from his head to his toenail. Well, that's all we remembered. We'll see you next time
Yeah.
on British Accents
Yeah.
with songs.
We should have done this earlier when the song first came out, but we just had the idea because we know all the words to this.
Alrighty.
Alrighty.
Bye. Cheerio.
Bye.
Fish
I
and
whip
chips.
my hair.
Do you whip yours?
I'm a ninja, don't forget that.
Oh yeah. Bye.